Hi, I'm Ted Hagemeyer from Ray White Sherwood in Graceville, and I'm coming to you today from Songbird in Oxley to provide you with the latest update from site. Well, what a year 2021 has been for Songbird. We've seen the site completely transform and Stage 1 lots coming to life right in front of our eyes. The construction team has been busy at work constructing roads and essential services with extensive landscaping to Stage 1 streetscape, lots and a portion of the park area well underway. With civil completion of Stage 1 nearing an end, buyers builders will be in a good position to commence in early of 2022. We can't wait to see the varying range of home designs take shape and deliver on a unique offering that is Songbird Oxley. Did you know that Songbird has been designed to be one of Queensland's first zero-emission communities? A green print for modern living, Songbird is leading the way with 100% of homes having solar panels and battery storage, ultimately protecting your investment for the future. We wish you all the best for the end of 2021, and on behalf of Ray White and Economic Development Queensland, we're excited to see what 2022 brings for us here at Songbird, including the much anticipated release of Stage 2. If you're interested in building in a community where feeling welcome is the standard inclusion, get in touch. Your forever home is calling.